Hello and welcome to Leon's Lock Pad. We're going to do an American lock today, an 1100 series. It's the first one I've ever picked. It came from a great guy, Randy Perkins. I put his name in the link in the description at the bottom. Absolute wonderful guy. Sent me this with a great package with other locks. I told him I'd never done an American 1100 and he sent me one, and absolutely fantastic. So happy, mate, brilliant. I've seen lots of American pickers obviously pick these. I've seen some English lads pick these, and to finally have one in my hands, it's well chuffed. Does work, as you see, absolutely fine. Show you the bitting. Not too bad. Let's have a look. Yep. Let's get it picked. And then if any of you don't know Randy Perkins, please check out his channel. He's an absolute brilliant guy. Sends lots of packages to people. Very kind man. Legend in my eyes. But yeah, let's go. I'm going to use a small hook, pixel lock hook, this one, and a homemade tension wrench in the bottom of the keyway. Let's get a little bit better of an angle on this. Look, there we go. Nope. Got to click off number 2 and 3. And just reset. You know what? I'm using the wrong pick. Give me a second. Let me get my pickology. Oh, as well, Randy, as well, mate. Thank you for the shrink wrapping. Even though these pickology have really nice stainless steel handles, and when you put shrink wrapping on it, you tend to lose some feel. But they were not comfortable in my hands, so now they're nice and comfortable. Might lose that little bit of feedback, but comfort was needed with these. Oh, got a bit of a false set then. No. 4, 3. Number 1 seems to not want to move. A bit of counter rotation, we've got it. There we go. We are now unlocked. Fantastic. That's quite a nice pick, that. Could get some nice feedback on it as well. Right. Yep. As you see, removable core. It's the first time I'm doing this one. It's going to be cool, this, for me. New experience. Bottom piece off, and we've got the core out. There we go. Want it like that. There we go. I'll just get the pinning tray out and the tools. get these off. Let's get this circlip off. There we go, we're off. I need to turn this right around. Get my follower. So these are coming down. Let's have a look what we got. We have one missing. Right, so let's go. The key pin's got is serrated. Another key pin serrated. Number 3. Number 4 is serrated. Number 5 is serrated. Ah, sweet. Very, very nice. No, let's do that this way, because that's the hard route was in. We got come on, be and shine. There we go. We got serrated driver. Oh, we got a little baby spool with serrates on it. We got another serrated. We got another spool. Oh no, another serrated. And last but least, we have a spool. Now, let's have a look in there. I'm not going to take springs out. I guess all the springs are just going to be standing the same. A minute. And so let's have a closer look at these. There we go. Let's have a look. We got a. You know what? Let me do it. Camera's going all messed up now and everything. Let's do it like that. There we go. Really nice little serrated key pin. They're all like that. I do like that though. Tiny, tiny little. Oh, it's not happy with zooming in this. Little serrated spool. But yeah, I really enjoyed that. I like that. Like that. That's good. That's collecting. Look, that's going in collection. Absolutely fantastic. Thank you very much, Randy, mate. Anybody else who watches this video, his channel's right there. Anyway, on my board. Well, thank you for watching. It was my very first 1100. I'm well chuffed. Please subscribe and bye.